Well, hey there, welcome back to Sherubin's Activities. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a button nose. So let's get started, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it was useful for you. And now let's actually get started. Let's go! What you need for this is a blending stump, a pencil, and an eraser. So what I just do, we just draw a flat upside down triangle. Okay. And we just shade the inside. Make it nice and soft. Like not having sharp edges. So this is how I made it. And now I just draw something like an oval on top. Yes, and if you can, just make it a little like gradient. So just clean up your blending stumps once in a while. You know, the nostrils should be seen properly. And now we're gonna draw the nostrils. So here one, like it's just a very small curve, like this. And we put this in here. Oh my god, I have been showing that. So that is it for now. Our button nose drawing tutorial is now over. We've successfully drawn some noses, and I'll meet you in the next video. And don't wait to subscribe to watch the next video. So subscribe now and click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So when I meet you in the new video, until then, bye!